In this video, I'm going to give you some tips on what you need to do before going to the dealership, and more importantly, how to increase your chances for approval of the vehicle you want and how to get low interest rates. Before going to the dealership, do these 7 things. Number 1, make sure you have a FICO credit score of 720 or higher. Do not rely on the credit scores from Credit Karma. Those are not FICO scores. Number 2, make sure you have low balances on all your credit cards and any other open accounts on your credit reports. Number 3, know your budget for a new vehicle. Stay within the price range for what you can afford. Number 4, bring at least 2 check stubs to cover a 30-day period so that your income can be easily verified. Number 5, have your employer contact information readily available. Number 6, bring a down payment that suits the vehicle you're shopping for in case one is necessary. Number 7, be prepared to obtain auto insurance. You can call your agent from the dealership and provide them with the VIN number of the vehicle to obtain a quote. If you follow these 7 tips, you should be able to walk out of the dealership with the vehicle you want and a low interest rate. Come back and let us know if you follow these tips. Thanks for watching.